This hydroponic grow system is a full kit that comes with everything you need to start growing fresh herbs and vegetables indoor all year round. It comes with 2 different types of plant foods, these different pods that you can put down in the water for your seeds to go in, humidity domes, and a couple covers, so if you don't want to use all 8 cells, you can just simply pull them out and put a cap in there. Plant labels, stakes that go just right into the top of the lid. So as your plants start to grow and get bigger, you can easily tie them so they don't tip over. Overall, the assembly of this full system was super easy. Plug in the pump, drop your lid in, and then put your cells together. Super easy. And then on the top, you can see the different things that you can do. This is for power, this is the light setting for vegetables, for flowers and fruits, and then this one is for your water circulation. It also has an adjustable light, so this easily slides up and down, so you can make sure that you always get the right amount of light for your plants regardless of what stage of growth they're in.